So how hard is it to build a website using Wealthy Affiliate? Well, not at all actually. It's actually quite straightforward to build a website using Wealthy Affiliate. Now on the Wealthy Affiliate dashboard, which you can actually sign up for using the link in the description, it's completely free. You can see that after the first 3 classes, you will already have your website and your domain all set up, and that's when you can follow the next set of classes. So super easy. They've got tools right on the platform that you can use to get your website up and running in literally just a few minutes. The focus really here is on filling up your website with content that's going to make you money. That's what the bulk of your education is going to be about on Wealthy Affiliate. Creating a website is actually quite simple and straightforward. If you get started right now with Wealthy Affiliate, within about 45 minutes, you should have your website set up. If you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free without having to enter any credit card information, you can use the link in the description. Now, if you're wondering if Wealthy Affiliate also offers a service to host your website, then click this video showing up on your screen.